Two traders can use the exact same strategy, same setup, same entry, and still get completely different results. One grows their account, the other keeps losing. Why? Because of the Forex pair they choose. Most traders blame their strategy, their indicators, or their broker, when the real problem is they're trading markets that don't fit their style. Some pairs offer tight spreads, better liquidity, and cleaner movement. Others increase costs and risk before the trade even starts. So, in this video, we'll show the best Forex pairs to trade in 2026, the best pairs for beginners, the best for scalping, the strongest trading sessions, which pairs to be careful with, and brokers that match different trading styles. Let's begin. Welcome to Top Forex Brokers Review. We analyze brokers using real trading conditions, spread comparisons, execution testing, platform experience, and practical trading factors. This guide combines broker testing with general market characteristics traders commonly consider when choosing currency pairs. If you want the short answer, these are the pairs most traders should start with. Best overall, Euro to USD. Best beginner pair, Euro to USD. Best scalping pair, USD to JPY. Best volatility, GBP to USD. Why? Because they typically combine liquidity, competitive spreads, and more consistent trading conditions. And for most traders, those matter more than excitement. If you could only trade one pair, Euro to USD would probably be the easiest place to start. It's widely traded globally. That usually means strong liquidity, competitive spreads, and smoother execution conditions. For traders learning market structure, support and resistance, or trend trading, Euro to USD remains one of the cleanest environments available. If your focus is speed, USD to JPY deserves attention. This pair is popular because it often provides stable movement, good liquidity, and efficient trading conditions, especially during Asian hours and major session overlaps. For short-term traders, execution quality matters. Now, if you prefer bigger moves, GBP to USD becomes interesting. This pair reacts strongly to economic reports, interest rate decisions, and market sentiment. More movement creates opportunity, but it also increases risk, so discipline becomes more important. AUD to USD is another solid option. It often reacts clearly to economic news, commodities, and broader sentiment, which makes it useful for traders learning how fundamentals influence price. Now here's something traders underestimate. The pair is only half the equation. Execution quality matters too. Here are several brokers many traders compare in 2026. FP Markets. Strong all-around option with platform variety and competitive pricing. IC Markets. Popular among scalpers and traders focused on execution. FX Pro. Useful for traders wanting multiple platform choices. AXI. Often considered suitable for active traders with competitive pricing and strong trading tools. London Session. Best pairs, Euro to USD, GBP to USD. High liquidity, strong market participation. New York Session. Best pairs, Euro to USD, USD to CAD. News and U.S. market activity can increase movement. Asian Session. Best pairs, USD to JPY, AD to USD, often calmer and more structured. This is usually where activity peaks, more liquidity, tighter conditions, more opportunity. So, what are the best Forex pairs to trade in 2026? For most traders, Euro to USD, best overall. USD to JPY, strong for scalping. GBP to USD, strong for volatility. But remember, successful trading isn't about finding one perfect setup. It's about matching your strategy, your broker, your session, and your risk management. When those align, trading decisions become much easier. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe for more trading breakdowns.